What if your monitor could refresh faster than your eyes can follow without a single blur or lag? Today, we're diving into a gaming monitor that claims to break every limit you thought possible. By the end of this video, you'll see why competitive gamers might never look at a regular screen the same way again. Meet the Acer Predator X27U F8, a 26.5-inch WQHD OLED display that seems almost too extreme to be real. Its native refresh rate? 540 Hz, which can actually be pushed up to 720 Hz with dynamic frequency resolution. And the response time? Brace yourself, is just 0.01 to 0.03 milliseconds, practically eliminating motion blur and ghosting. Color and contrast aren't sacrificed for speed. The X27U F8 covers 99% of DCI-P3, carries VISA Display HDR True Black 500 certification, and hits peak brightness of 1500 nits in HDR highlights. Deep blacks, striking contrast, and vivid colors make every frame pop. Connectivity is another strong point. HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1, USB-C with 90-watt power delivery, and multiple USB-A 3.2 ports for your peripherals. Add dual 5-watt speakers and a full range of ergonomic adjustments, and this monitor is built to fit any gaming setup perfectly. It even supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, ensuring synchronized HDR gameplay with minimal input lag, ideal for competitive scenarios. Tilt, swivel, pivot, height adjustment, 178-degree viewing angles, and 10-bit color depth make visuals remain pristine from any angle. But there's one feature that sets it apart even further. The real game changer? That 720 Hz DFR mode, something no other gaming monitor on this scale offers. It's designed for pro-level competitive gaming, giving you an edge that's not just seen, but felt. The Predator X27U F8 launches in Q2 2026, priced around €1,199 or Swiss francs. If you're serious about competitive play or just crave the ultimate in speed and visual fidelity, this monitor isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Click the link in the description to explore more or pre-order your monitor today and transform the way you game.